Linking an existing license to my account. In the following tutorial, we will show you how to link an existing license to my account. To begin using DBPR's online services, go to DBPR homepage www.myfloridalicense.com and click on My Account link on the top right side of the page. Log into your online account entering the email or user ID and password that was used to create the account. Select Link an existing license to my account under Functions. Using Professions or Business from the drop-down list, select your profession. Click on Next. Select License Type from the drop-down list. Enter your license number in the Next field. We selected Real Estate as an example for this tutorial. Click Next. Enter Activation Code, usually the last 4 digits of Social Security number or Federal Employee Identification number if it is a business license. Also, click on I'm Not a Robot. Select all images that match the image shown on your screen and click on Verify. Once the security check is completed, click Next. On this screen, you can verify the license information. Select Add to add this license to your online account. This is the confirmation page. It mentions all the functions that you can generally perform using my account. Click Next. Your license is currently linked to the online services account as shown on this page. You can now select various functions offered through this account. These are the available functions once you have linked the license. Thank you.